Hello, everybody. Just Catherine. I'm back. So I am actually doing this video for 310, my community, as well as my channel, Just Catherine YouTube. So you're gonna hear me kind of say something about both. But yesterday I made a video telling you guys that I still had OJ left from when I was sick, and I made orange juice along with my 310 vanilla shake, and it was so good. It tastes like a dreamsicle. So I told you guys if I liked it, I was gonna come back and do OJ orange juice and chocolate. So let's jump right in. I just came back from my walk, so excuse my attire. It's still cold, but it's not so bad. I started out walking with my jacket, and I have on two shirts, and I had my jacket on over it. So while I was out there walking, I wound up taking my jacket off and tying it around my waist, which is awesome because I was able to do that. All right, so you have my cup of orange juice, and now I'm putting in my 310 chocolate meal replacement shake. And I love the chocolate. One of my favorites is the chocolates with blueberries, and of course, my 7 ice cubes. I am interested in what this is gonna taste like. Nothing else. That's all I'm putting in here. No cinnamon, no, just OJ orange juice, 7 ice cubes, 1 scoop of chocolate, 310. Okay, let's see. All right, so putting it in my Ninja, and let's see. Okay, all right. So putting it in my Ninja, and we're gonna blend. Now, also, while it's blending, I just wanna tell you guys, I also take my multivitamin. I do my 310 Tens and my 310 Meta Boost. It gives me a lot of energy and helps to curb that sweet craving. So I'm excited. I'm very excited. This is one of the best things that I've ever done for myself, and I want to encourage you. If you made those New Year's resolutions, we're already in the month of February, and I know this is a time when a lot of people drop off. So I want to encourage you. Hang in there. Hang in there. It is well worth it. I know it can get frustrating. It can get hard. But when you hang in there, you'll see in the end it'll be well worth it. Now, I've said before, I'm doing this journey, this weight loss journey, and I'm also showcasing it on my YouTube channel, Just Catherine. But also, I am encouraging others in the 310 community. I'm sharing what it's doing for me. I'm not in any way telling you have to do 310, though I do recommend 310. It works if you trust the process. So I am motivating you to hang in there. You got to make your journey fun. You got to do things in it to keep yourself motivated, keep yourself fun. I got me a little friend out there, Mr. Duck, who walks with me, although I didn't see him today. And it's beautiful outside. But I am walking later, so maybe he was already out there. So here we go. Orange juice, 7 ice cubes, 1 scoop of 310 chocolate meal replacement shake. All right. Ooh, I got more shake than I do cup, but that's okay. I'm gonna drink this down and add some to it. All right, so got my 310 straw, got my 310 cup. Let's see. It's good. Doesn't taste better than yesterday, the vanilla and the orange juice. This isn't bad, but I won't do it again. Mm. 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 Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe the taste buds just had to adjust. That actually is good. Mm. I can taste the chocolate and I can taste the orange. Very good. So now again, like I said, I know the orange juice has a lot of carbs in it. So I'm just really doing this to get rid of the orange juice because this is, what I have left from when I was sick and I don't want to throw it away. So I am using it in my 310. So this right here would be really, really good on a hot summer day or hot spring day, but this is like, it's refreshing. It feels nice and cool going down. It makes me think of summertime, if that makes sense. Okay, I like it. I like it, but it doesn't taste better than the vanilla and the orange juice. All right, so just taking my supplements. Just wanted to share that with you and to encourage you guys. Keep going. The journey does get difficult. It can get, things happen in our lives that may throw us off emotionally. You may want to binge eat or whatever. If you get something to happen in your life and it's making you want to binge eat, change that binge eating to binge reading or binge a good wholesome movie or binge walking. Do something to engage your mind. You just sitting up there eating food, eating junk. That's not engaging your mind. You want to engage your mind. If you get out there and walk, you're going to see things that will help to take your mind off of what you're going through. And when you move like that on a consistent basis, for at least a good 20 minutes to a half hour, at least, you're releasing endorphins. And endorphins are, they're like the happy hormone inside you. It will actually lift your spirit. So if you're going through an emotional challenge or something where you're feeling depressed, move. Move, get out there and move. So just want to encourage you with those words. I'm not going to keep you. So don't give up. Hang in there, and I promise you, if you hang in there and keep going, by the time Christmas comes, you're going to hear me say it I've already said it several times. You're going to hear me say it several more times. By the time Christmas comes, somebody will love to have you in their stocking. So keep going, for your health, for your, just, your mental clarity. Just do it for you. Do it for you first, okay? Remember, you can do all things through him who strengthens you. All right. See you guys later. Have a wonderful day.